Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about my favorite topic to talk about, and that is skincare. Get your snacks, get your drinks, be prepared because this is going to be a long one. To me, skincare is just the most important thing to having a flawless makeup day, to, just for your confidence. I feel like, a woman is more confident when her skin looks good. And I know it's harder for some people to get the skin that they would love to have, but I feel like I have a lot of products that can help so many people, and I feel like it would just make a world of difference in your skincare routine. So before I begin, I want to say that where my jewelry is from, I've been getting a couple questions from my past few videos that I keep forgetting to put my jewelry in there, saying where it's from, but if you see me wearing jewelry, it's Bauble Bar. I love Bauble Bar. They are the best, fake jewelry line. I do the air quotes because they do have a fine jewelry section. But this is one of their, they just have timeless, I feel like, pieces. Like, this is just one of the most beautiful necklaces. I feel like it goes with everything. And I just love it. I'll link it down below. And I also, my last video, I had these earrings. They were beautiful, great earrings. Those were also Bauble Bar. I will link those down below. But you have to check them out. They are such a great company. I love their jewelry, and they don't tarnish. I'm allergic to nickel, but I never feel like itchy or anything. They are amazing. Also, I will link down below my video on my curly hair tutorial. I just filmed that one, so I'll leave that link down below. And yeah, so let's just get started. So first and foremost is the way I cleanse my skin. I feel like that's super important, the way you cleanse your skin and prep your skin for moisturizer and eye cream, just for the day. So what I first do, if I cleanse my skin, I use I've been using the Murad Time Release Acne Cleanser, and I love that thing. I had that for so long. It lasted me forever. It's like a creamy consistency. I kind of put it on like when I was in the shower, and I'd leave it on like a mask, and then I'd rinse it off, and I loved that stuff. But I didn't feel like it did anything for me. I don't know. I loved it, but I don't know if it actually did much. It may have. I don't know. I haven't really seen a difference, and I've been using a different cleanser. Well, I've been seeing more of a difference, and I've been using a different cleanser. So, but that one is also good. I highly recommend it, especially if you do have acne prone skin, which I have very sensitive skin. My face will break out to literally anything. So I've been really careful, and I found these great products, and I've also will link down below my favorite YouTuber. She and I swear, have the same skin tone, and everything she recommends, I love. Everything. And it's worked for me, and it's been magical. Cleanser I've been using lately is the Fresh Lotus, the Fresh Soy Cleanser. I love this thing. I got the sample size just because they are more of an expensive brand. And like I've said before, I do get the sample sizes so that I can see if I do enjoy it. And I've really been enjoying it. It takes away any makeup you may have left on after you wash your face from makeup and whatnot. It will literally take off mascara, waterproof mascara. I've tried it. And eyeliner, everything. It's a great cleanser. I love it, and I've definitely felt a difference. It's for youthful skin, and I just feel like, it's made my skin definitely glow, especially after using it. So this is a great vibe. Then, this is the most expensive item that I do own. No, I take that back. I have another one that's super expensive, but it's the second expensive item that I have splurged on for my face. And it is the best thing I've splurged on my face. And it's the Lancer, the Method Polish. It smells like lavender. It's amazing. You need the smallest amount, and it will last. It goes a long way. You can do it all over your face. I sometimes put it down my neck. And this is the best exfoliator I have ever used in my whole entire life. I have had this bottle for a year, and it's lasted me for more than a year. And I still have a good amount left, you know, like there's still some up here. I have a good amount of uses left. I love this stuff. I highly, 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 highly recommend it. I know it's expensive, but it's well worth your money, and it'll last you a whole year. Longer than a whole year. I guess I'm just gonna say what my way of taking off my makeup is, and I've been using and loving this Boscia Makeup Breakup Cleansing Oil. This is my travel one. I have repurchased this and repurchased this and repurchased this so many times. This is the best makeup remover you will ever use. It will take away any kind of makeup. I just, you know, I'm the type of person, I don't want to spend 30 minutes on my skincare at night. I just want to be quick, done, out of the bathroom, you know, face clean, ready for moisturizer. This stuff, I put it on my fingers, you know, you rub it in and then you go all over. A little goes a long way. I usually only use a pump when I have like a full face of makeup, and then I rub it in, put it on my eyes, and then I rub it all over my face. Yes, your whole face will look black, but you're fine. It's fine. You'll rinse it off. So, I rinse it all off, and then you put water on it and you massage it more in. Then you rinse it all the way off. Then that's when I go in with my cleanser. Take that, put it all over my eyes, my face, whatever, then rinse it off with a towel. My towel is clean. It's clean, but make sure you do rinse it well. But my towel does end up being clean. This stuff is amazing. It's worth it. So, then when I'm done with my cleansing routine, my taking off my makeup, my exfoliator, I do exfoliate every other day. Just because this exfoliator is actually meant for you to exfoliate every day. I don't do that, but I do it every other day, once a day. And it's usually at night. Then I go in with moisturizer. I have 3 different moisturizers that I've been loving, and I highly recommend all 3 of them, but I'm gonna show you which ones that I have been using. So I don't know what happened, but it broke. But this moisturizer, you guys, it is so expensive. It's splurge worthy. Let me tell you, it's splurge worthy, but it's so expensive, but it's so worth it. I love it. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, the 5.1 fluid ounce container. This is huge. Got this in November. I don't know if you'll be able to see how much I still have in there. I still have a whole bunch in there. It smells amazing. It smells kind of like sunscreen, but that's okay. I don't mind that. Not too strong. It doesn't, you know, it's not like an in-your-face kind of smell that'll give you a headache, which I'm super sensitive to, so you can trust me on that. But this moisturizer will make the flakiest, the driest skin look flawless. I can't say enough good things about it. It's super expensive. I don't want to harp on it too much, but it's really good. And it makes any foundation application look 1,000 times better. Another one that is not as expensive, but is so good, so good, is this Kale and Spinach Green Tea Hyaluronic Acid Age Prevention Moisture Cream by the Youth People of the Youth, I don't know. But it is so, Youth to the People, there we go. Made in California. This is a 2-ounce little, this is one that came in like a little kit, and it came with a spinach mask and the, some cleanser. That cleanser was really good too. I need to repurchase that one. I feel like I would really enjoy having that one back into my routine. But this moisturizer, I love to use it in the morning. Like I use my night cream or my magic cream sometimes before I put foundation on, but a lot of the time I use it at night. But if I'm not putting any makeup on, I do use this one during the day. I feel like this is such a good one, and because of the hyaluronic acid, it keeps your face moisturized and makes your skin just look like it's glowing. I love this stuff. Love it, love it, love it. Highly recommend. The other moisturizer, and I got a little sample of it and I showed you in my last video, is the Lotus Youth Preserve Face Cream by Fresh. And it has 7 super complexes. And it is so good. I love Fresh stuff. Fresh stuff is so expensive, but just so worth it. You will look so youthful, so beautiful, so radiant. I just cannot say enough good things about it, and I definitely recommend you guys try this. Smells a little weird, I'm not gonna lie. It smells a little weird, but you get used to the smell of the Fresh products. A lot of the Fresh stuff, like, you know, smells the same and kind of has this weird fresh I guess, you know, scent to it. But it's so, so good, and I've really been enjoying it. I think I'm gonna purchase the full one. That's that for moisturizer. And before, I guess I should have done it this way, but usually before I put on my moisturizer, I use these Peter Thomas Roth Max Complexion Correction Pads with a fresh peach Bellini scent. I have recommended this to so many of my girlfriends, so many of my friends. Just these pads made the biggest difference in my skin, in my texture, in my pores, in my fine lines. You know, I'm only 22 years old, but you know, you still get some pores, you get fine lines. Nobody's skin is perfect, even at 22. I say that now. I'm sure later on I'm gonna be like, my skin was perfect, whatever. But you know, I just like to use certain things to, you know, help my skin. And it's meant for acne. And I'm not acne prone. I've never really suffered with acne. I just had some textural acne up here by my hairline. But I just kind of like it just as a preventative method. I kind of like, you'll see my other product I use is also for acne. But this just, you know, made such a difference in my skin. And it's has salicylic acid and glycolic acid. So if you're a little sensitive, the first time you use it, you will be a little dry, and I found myself a little dry, but then, you know, you have to go in with a moisturizer afterwards, and they smell really good. Not when you sniff it like that, but you know what I mean. When you use it on your face, it smells good. It smells good. But yeah, these, highly, 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 highly recommend getting these. I love them. My best friend, she suffered from a lot of acne, and I told her about these things, and they've definitely, I feel, definitely improved her acne. And she's been enjoying them too. I do use another acne cream, and if I were to do it, I would use the pad, then I would use this, then I would use my moisturizer, and then my eye cream. So this is the Kate Somerville Acne Clearing Lotion. This will get rid of any texture. If you suffer with texture, you need this. If you suffer with getting acne and blemishes and whatnot, this is your lifesaver. I'm not kidding you. I've had this thing for about a year. I still have so much of this left. I do not use this every night because this does make me red. Not really red, but it does make me red because it is, this one has benzoyl peroxide in it, 5%, and this is a little more intense for my skin because I do have sensitive skin, but it's another one of those items that I've recommended to friends and they've ended up loving them, and you know, I just cannot get this out of my routine. This is a must-have for me. I love it. Sometimes I'm very pale. But sometimes, you know, if I do get a little tan or if I self-tan, my face is just so pale that it's kind of like, you definitely are self-tanned. But if I do self-tan, I do go in with this Overnight Bronze and Glow Mask by Charlotte Tilbury. I love this stuff. It does not, you know, it does kind of smell like self-tanner, I'm not gonna lie, a little bit. But once you wash your face in the morning, the self-tanner smell is gone. And you will look bronze. It's not orange. It's not, you know, it's not too much. You know, it's buildable. And it's called an Overnight Hydrating Flawless Tan Mask. So it's a mask too. And yeah, you can glow over 1 to 3 nights to intensify your desired tan. So, and wash your hands. It says wash your hands. Listen to them, because I made a huge mistake. I did not wash my hands, and these fingertips all right here were all orange and the rest of my hands were white. Not a good idea, but this is so good. I do enjoy this mask. If you are a self-tanner girl like me, then you will definitely enjoy this. Then I go in with my eye cream, and I love this eye cream a lot. Clinique products for me are just the end-all be-all. I love Clinique products. One of my favorite moisturizers, which is the Clinique, oh gosh, the Intense Moisturizer Intense, something like that. That is one of my go-to moisturizers. I love it. I actually want to repurchase it so I can put it back in my routine. But this Pep Star eye cream truly, like, I suffer with darkness right here. And even with the darkness on my eyelids, I put it on and it is a miracle. And I kind of like, people thought this was gimmicky, this little thing that you roll it on. But I felt like it is cooling and it does depuff. It really does. I like it. Good eye cream. I would definitely recommend this one. Alright, and so that's pretty much my skincare routine, but I'm going to show you one more. Actually, I have 2 more things that are super important to me because I do suffer from super dry lips, and my lips have always been chappy my whole life, and I hate it. It drives me nuts. There's nothing worse than living up north and it being super cold and your lips are chappy. You know what I mean, you northerners. It hurts so bad. This has changed my lip game. I'm not kidding. This is the Sarah Happ lip scrub in, I believe, pink grapefruit. Smells amazing. It's a little sugar scrub. I love it. A little goes a long way. I've had this since Christmas. You know, I've used it almost every night. And I just rub it on my lips super quick, you know, whatever. I'm pretty sure you can eat it. Just kidding, it says for external use only. I've kind of ate it before because it tastes really good. But I usually take a water or a napkin and I wipe it off. Don't eat it. Don't listen to me, please. But yeah, it just makes my lips feel super smooth, super nice. So yes, you need to get this if you suffer from chappy lips. I love this, and I love it better than the Lush lip scrub. And I used to be a ride or die for that Lush lip scrub, but this one's even better. And then this is shameful, but not very shameful, Vaseline. This is a huge thing, but if you suffer from chapped lips like I do, at nighttime you put a huge pile on and it is a miracle worker. And your lips will feel like a baby's butt in the morning, and it's helped my lips so much. It's made, because, you know, if you have chapped lips, it's so hard to have any matte lipsticks, any liquid lipsticks, anything. You know, you just have to use glossy lips, which is I think why I like glossy lips, just because I'm so used to it. But this will make anyone's lips look amazing. I love this stuff. Highly, highly, highly recommend. Get it at any drugstore. Some good stuff. It's like, this one was like $5. I've used the crap out of it, but there's still so much in it. This will last me 10 years. Alright guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some really good tips. I hope you guys, you know, find some products that'll really work for you. I love sharing, you know, products that really helped me, and I want to help everyone, you know, who do suffer from, you know, acne or, you know, just texture. I just want to help everyone, and I just want everyone to find the best products that they can use. You know, this stuff works for me. It may not work for you, but if it does, some products work for you, great. If it doesn't, you know, great too. I mean, not everyone's the same, but I do hope you guys find some products from this that you do like. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have anything else to say, you know, if you want to just say some nice comments, hate comments, I don't care, you know, whatever, do you. Leave it down in the comment section below. If you guys like me, if you want to see more videos, then please subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.